Imagine owning one simple bucket that keeps creating more and more plant food every 2 days. No expensive fertilizers, no chemical bottles, no complicated recipes, just one living culture that multiplies naturally. For generations, Korean natural farmers have quietly used this method to grow vegetables, fruit trees, herbs, and flowers with incredibly healthy soil. The surprising part? Once you start the culture, it can keep reproducing almost endlessly with only a few inexpensive ingredients. Today you'll learn exactly how this mysterious Korean bucket works, why it doubles every 48 hours, and how you can build your own at home. The secret isn't fertilizer. It's biology. Healthy soil contains billions of microorganisms that recycle nutrients every hour. These tiny organisms unlock minerals, feed plant roots, protect against disease, and improve moisture retention. Unfortunately, modern gardening often destroys these living communities through excessive chemicals, dry soil, or poor organic matter. The Korean bucket simply rebuilds this living ecosystem. Instead of feeding the plant directly, you're feeding the microscopic workers that feed the plant every single day. The bucket starts with only a handful of ingredients: clean water, rice wash water, brown sugar or molasses, a small amount of healthy compost or leaf mold. Some gardeners also add cooked rice to attract naturally occurring beneficial microbes. Once combined, these ingredients become an ideal breeding ground for millions of friendly bacteria and fungi. Every hour they reproduce. Every day their population increases dramatically. Within about 48 hours, the culture becomes active enough to divide into multiple new buckets. Now comes the remarkable part. After 2 days, you never use the entire bucket. Instead, you remove only half. That half inoculates a second bucket filled with fresh ingredients. Soon both buckets become active. Then 4, then 8, then 16. You're not creating fertilizer from nothing. You're expanding a healthy microbial colony, much like making sourdough starter or yogurt cultures. As long as the microbes stay healthy, the cycle continues. Healthy fermentation produces several unmistakable signs. The smell should be pleasantly sweet and earthy. Small bubbles appear on the surface. The liquid gradually darkens. A thin white film may develop, indicating beneficial microorganisms are growing. If it smells rotten, sour like sewage, or develops black mold, something went wrong. Usually the cause is contaminated water, poor sanitation, or insufficient sugar. Using the culture is surprisingly simple. Mix a small amount with water. Apply around plant roots every 1 to 2 weeks. You can also use it in compost piles to speed decomposition. Some gardeners spray diluted solution onto leaves during cool mornings. The microbes immediately begin colonizing surfaces and improving nutrient cycling. The goal isn't instant growth overnight. The goal is healthier soil that becomes more productive season after season. Gardeners often notice subtle changes first. Leaves become darker green. Flowers last longer. Fruit sets improve. Soil stays moist longer after watering. Earthworms return. Roots grow deeper. Each improvement builds upon the last because living soil becomes stronger every season. The bucket isn't magic. The biology inside it is. Sometimes the greatest gardening secret isn't buying something new. It's learning how nature already works. One simple Korean bucket can become the starting point for an endless supply of beneficial microbes that improve soil year after year. Healthy soil grows healthy plants. Healthy plants feed healthy families. If you enjoyed discovering this timeless gardening method, subscribe for more natural growing techniques inspired by traditional wisdom and modern science. Your garden and your soil will thank you.